Looking for something easy and healthy to feed the family tonight?
Always. Angie Horkan from the Wisconsin Beef Council is here with some recipes that are all certified by the American Heart Association. Hi, Angie.
Hello. I don't fit into the Fat Tuesday theme today.
No, you don't.
With my heart
You're the
recipes.
balance.
Right. Yeah, so February's Heart Month, so I just got a couple more kind of heart healthy recipes. We have a collection of 20 recipes on the website, certified healthy by the Heart Association. So I just have a couple of them here. But using cuts like ground beef, so like 93% or leaner ground beef is certified healthy by the American Heart Association and lean by the USDA. And then some of our favorite cuts you find in the supermarket, all the loin cuts, if they have loin in the name. Sirloin, I have top sirloin here, tenderloin, strip steak, which is actually a top loin. And then of course all the round cuts, they're very lean. So they need a little more preparation. So you might want to do like a nice little marinade.
I say, what do we have here?
So this is a top sirloin. I got a top sirloin steak that I just pan fried it. But you could grill it, of course, or broil it, however you like. And then I have it on a bed of orzo with some asparagus. And then when the sirloin was done in my skillet, I took it out and I added in like equal parts low sodium beef broth and red wine. It's heart healthy. Work it in, and then kind of simmer that a couple minutes. Scraped up all the brown bits in the pan to get all that beef flavor. Then added some capers and then some fresh tomatoes and a little garlic. I made a super easy sauce. Toss the orzo and the fresh asparagus in that for some flavor, and then you just top it with the top sirloin.
When you sauteed in the pan, how many minutes on a side do you do?
Not many, because my top sirloin was only an inch thick, so I would say about 5 minutes a side, and then use your instant meat thermometer.
It can be red in the middle, that's okay.
Yep, it can be pink, nice, 145 in the middle. But you know, like our website says 30 minutes. I don't know if it takes 30 minutes, just barely. Cook your orzo the same time as the steak, and
that couldn't be easier.
All right,
very easy.
This guy.
Now this one I did have to plan ahead a little bit because this is flank, and flank's a lean cut. So last night I kind of marinated it in a thick paste. It's kind of different, but it's Greek yogurt. So low-fat or non-fat Greek-style yogurt with some garam masala, Indian flavored seasoning, and then a little paprika and garlic powder. So it's very, very flavorful. So I kind of brushed that, rubbed that on each side of my flank, put it in a Tupperware, put it in the refrigerator, pulled it out, and then I used a grill pan today and just did a quick grill on it. It takes longer than top sirloin, probably 8-9 minutes aside. But then I just have that served with some of the extra sauce that I didn't put on it. And you could do some grilled onions with it or other grilled vegetables, and then brown rice as your whole grain with some peas.
So when you're shopping, to get the leanest, the heart-healthy meats, you want to look for
Loin are round in the name, but there are over 36 cuts now. So we have them on the website. You can go to beeftips.com, but look for loin are round in the name. You know, look for those cuts that don't have a lot of extra trimmable fat on them. You know, our favorite, the ribeye, is not one of them.
Of course.
Bone in ribeye? No.
It's not. But, and then 2 lean ground beef.
All right.
So
That's great.
Go to the website.
Beeftips.com. So we got a link to all these recipes, plus the whole recipe collection, plus a lot of other great fun facts. Well, not fun facts, but nutrition fact sheets, and that you can check out.
It's great recipes.
Thank you.
Good to see you, Ange.